Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this little bag where you can put your gift. I created mine to gift my paper earrings, and then I put them inside in this way and close my little bag with a peg. Here, it's quite nice. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute little bag. We will need a piece of square paper like this one. This is an origami paper, and the characteristic of this origami paper are these 15 by 15 centimeter, and this is the gram. Okay, now we will need to fold in half, but without folding. We will need to do this. We will fold only this because we will find our half of the paper. Now we will fold and crease this part, and then we will need to do in this way. We will need to fold and crease this part, but on this part of paper, in this way. As you can see, I'm on the other part. Voila. So we will have this result. This part will go on. Now we will need to glue the end part, and so we will use some glue because we will need to close our bag. Voila. And now we will close in this way. Okay, now we will need to close also this part, and then you can, before close all, you can put some glue here and then press down and press down in this way. Okay, now we will have our little bag. Leave it to dry because you will need to leave it to dry, and then now we will need to do in this way. It's better to fold again the final part, so it will be quite strong and it won't open. So you will need to do in this way, and if you don't want, you can leave it in this way with only one folding, or you can fold 2 times. For me it's better because it's more strong. Voila, here the finished bag. Now we can put inside our earrings or the thing that you prefer to gift. Okay, now these are my paper earrings. You can find the tutorial of these earrings on my YouTube channel here. And now we will have to fold and crease this part, and then put your little bag, and your package is ready. Voila! I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye!